Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make churros in the microwave. To begin, gather your simple ingredients for these delicious treats. You'll need 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 large egg, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Have cinnamon sugar ready for the perfect finish. Now let's make the dough. In a microwave-safe bowl, combine water, sugar, salt, and butter. Microwave this mixture for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until the butter is fully melted and it comes to a boil. Quickly stir in the flour until a cohesive ball of dough forms. Then, beat in the egg and vanilla extract until your dough is wonderfully smooth. Next, it's time to shape your churros. Transfer the dough into a piping bag fitted with a star tip. Carefully pipe 2 to 3-inch churro sticks onto a parchment-lined microwave-safe plate. Microwave these delightful treats for 1 to 2 minutes, or until they are firm to the touch. Be sure they are cooked through, but avoid over-microwaving them. For the grand finale, gently remove your perfectly cooked churros from the microwave. While they are still warm, roll each one generously in a bowl of cinnamon sugar, ensuring a full coating. Serve your freshly made microwave churros immediately for the best taste and texture. They are absolutely delicious on their own or paired with a rich chocolate dipping sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.